Why did you come? What a heaviness, man.
This is my camera girl. Hey, that's my camera girl, twin.
Why you just hit me though?
That's my camera girl. Right? Come on, lay down.
I couldn't save you on that one.
I'm not gonna hit you. I'm not gonna hit you. I'm not gonna hit you.
Stop doing that.
You hit me while I was low.
Whatever.
Yeah, we got a crazy list.
Oh, you got that for now.
You got some crazy
Take up
species.
AFK.
Man, shut up. It's just species.
Come on. Stop.
Hey, come on, bro.
Double team. Damn, you for real need a job, man.
Like, bro.
Hollister Highman, right? Come on.
I was slamming, bro.
I'm saying, like, stop slamming, boy. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to hit you.
Guess what?
Nah, he got.
I know you're coming over too.
Slice in half.
Leave? Oh my god, you guys. Don't hit me, please.
I mean, not. Lay down.
Bro, I just got
Try that with it. Won't tap me.
Nah, because you remember.
like, why are you jumping?
Kill, please. You only need a little bit of help. Thank you. Sorry.
Why you want to meet though?
Hey, yo, chill.
I do the Dougie.
Yo,
The
chill.
Dougie. Now, yeah. Hey, don't want no chip. Don't want no chip. No, don't want no chip. Shorty, don't want no chip.
Oh my god, bro.
Don't want no chip. Like.
Why you trying? Oh, God, already, bro.
Alright, chill. Stop jumping. Stop jumping.
I got it.
Stop jumping.